अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिशे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानुतोऽस्मि। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नमाम शरणं। I wanted to explain almost all the pastimes, sweet pastimes of Krishna. Especially I wanted to explain the glories of gopis. But I was involved in only Bal Leela Charitra.
Childhood pastimes.
Only in this, so I could not go up. No? I wanted. So I want to tell some brief things. After Jashoda Maiya binded Krishna, he became Damodar. But Damodar of Srimati Maiya Jashoda. And after that, in Ras Leela, he became Radha Damodar. All the Sakhi binded Krishna with Srimati Radhika. Then he became Radha Damodar. So after these pastimes of Jashoda Damodar, this pastimes was when Krishna was at the age of 3.5 only. Seeing this, that so many troubles are coming, so many demons are here that try to kill Krishna, but by the mercy of Supreme Personality of Godhead, that is Narayan, or by the mercy of Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna is saved. Kans also thought that I have sent so many demons, my friends, to kill Krishna, but he could not do. They could not. Anyone to whom I sent to Braja to kill Krishna, they never returned. Never returned. What happened? So he wanted to go himself there, and himself he wanted to kill Krishna. So he made a plan. He ride on a horse and took his swords. He was so powerful, more than Putana, Agasur, Bakasur and all. He crossed Jamuna river And he has a very beautiful garden there, crossing river Jamuna. And when he reached, and he wanted to cross the borderline of Mathura and entering in Gokul, at once he saw a very old lady, hairs all white, and his dress was somewhat saffron colors. Her name was Jogmaya Purnima. He asked and challenged Kans. Kans, where are you going? Where you are going? Stop. And at once he was just stopped. He was so powerful, but he could not
Check her.
disobey the order of Jogmaya. Though she was so old, he knew that he is going to kill Krishna. At once, forcibly, he took the hands of Kans and he, in a pond,
Drowned him.
Dipped him down into a pond. Dunked
and again
him out.
took out. And at once he felt, oh, I am a very old lady, crooked, black, no teeth,
Ugly.
so ugly, and no power to also
Walk.
walk. Jogmaya gave him one stick and told him, you should be here. And you should, from today, we will do cow dungs. Dungs mean
Cow patties.
Eh?
Cow patty.
Cow patty.
Ah.
From cow down to cow patty. Good.
And he used to be here. And she kicked from his feet or legs. And he went into Braj. And he told that, see how old, ugly a lady has come from Mathura and I have engaged. And go and see, and if she is not good working, then you should kick her. So all became assembled there, and one by one kicking her, that lady. He wanted to run away from that place, but how to go? He wanted to return to his kingdom Mathura, but he thought that if I am returning there, that anyone will not recognize that I am same Kans, and there also they will kick me. So what to do? So some days he was like this, feeling so much unhappy and ashamed. Then he began to pray, oh Jogmaya, you should come and be very merciful to me. I will never in future I will come and try to kill him, Krishna. At once Jogmaya came, and again he drowned in that pond and quickly took off, and then he became Kans, and quickly
With his feet in his
he ran away to his kingdom. So he never came in future to Braja to do any harm to Krishna. But he was sending. After this, all the Brajavasis thought that so many disturbances are coming here, problems are coming, and now no grass for cows to graze. So we should give up this place and we should go to any better place where there are grasses and our cows can graze, and this will be a very best place. And they selected Vrindavan, and then they come. Here Krishna began to graze little calves. And one day he was grazing, at once a Bakasur means in a shape of a demon in shape of crane. And Krishna, he wanted to take Krishna in his stomach. But Krishna became like a gola, what?
Ball.
Like a iron ball, so burning
Like javelin.
and reddish. At once he,
spit out.
Disc.
and then he began to like this.
Chicken.
But Krishna quickly took his two,
Beaks.
one from
Legs.
and other like doing and
Beef for cat.
it is in two pieces. Krishna, that I was playing with you, you are also playing with. But if you are dying, what should I do? Nothing to do. But he gave him liberation. Anyhow. After that, Aghasur sent any demon named Aghasur. Aghasur means Ag means pap.
Sin.
Sinful.
So many
Embodiment of sin.
sins like if anyone had murdered Gurudev, father, mother, like these sins, he was embodiment of all kinds of sin in this world. He came to kill Krishna, but he could not do. He swallowed all the cowherd boys and cops, everyone. But he was waiting for Krishna. Krishna quickly came and he went also inside. And when Krishna came inside, he at once closed his mouth. But again Krishna came here, no air here and to pass. Everything was blocked. His eyes also came out.
Rasagolo.
And at once this was cracked
Skull.
and his soul came out and wandering in the sky. But when Krishna, by his sight,
Glance.
like
Sight
nectar,
glance.
he saw all the cowherd boy and calves. They, at once in life,
Revive.
all they came out of his mouth. And then the light which was in sky gradually came and entered in the lotus feet of Krishna. Brahma was looking this. Oh, very big sannyasis and yogi doing so much hard austerities. It is very rare that they have the same
Destination.
destination. But how he quickly achieved so high class of liberation. He wanted to see some more pastimes of his Prabhu. And he wanted to stole away the cowherd boys and cops and to see another what he does. And he quickly arranged. What happened in the meantime? That all the mothers of Braja, all the mother of whole Braj, they used to love Krishna more than their sons. And thinking that Krishna should be our son, so that we can take Krishna in our laps and always giving milk, always supporting and nursing Krishna, loving with so affection. They wanted. Also, all the now girls of Braja, they have become like 7, 8. They have some intelligence also. So they wanted that, oh, Krishna should be our beloved, our husband. All the cows in Braj, lakhs and crores of cows, they wanted to love Krishna like their children's calves. So, what happened? Yogamaya at once dragged Brahma and she showed Krishna these pastimes of Aghasur murder, killing. So actually, Yogamaya inspired Brahma to stole away the
Calf.
cowherd boys and calves. When they were taking prasadam anywhere, in Bhandir Ban, in Bhandir Bhat, in the place, and they were playing themselves. Krishna sat in the middle, and lakhs of cowherd boys surrounding Krishna were sitting there. One round, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, thousands of around him was there. But all who were back of Krishna, they are thinking that we are in front of Krishna. Those who were very far away, they were thinking that Krishna, I am with Krishna.
Nearer to Krishna.
And they are giving something to him, he taking something. In the meantime, cows were some for different. They grazing and grazing,
Distance.
they become of some distance. So Brahma has a chance to take away and stole away. Also, when Krishna or the cowherd boy were searching their cows, their calves, in the meantime, Brahma took away all the cowherd boys and kept in a
Cave.
cave. Krishna was thinking that where my calves has gone, where my friends are there. At once he knew, oh, what happened? And then he became all the cowherd boy. He became all the
Calf.
calves. And he became all the bansuri,
Flutes.
floats of all goats.
Flutes, sticks.
Sticks, their
dress.
Kambalia you know?
Dress.
Dresses.
Huh?
Dresses.
Kambal.
Blanket.
Blankets and everything Krishna became. The boys, the cowherd boys, their voices, tone of speaking,
They're
their
all kind
mood of walking,
all behavior.
everything became like that. And Krishna used to take them and daily going to their homes and coming again in grazing and doing. He did like 1 year. And in this period, Gargacharya told that this year is so
Auspicious.
auspicious. If anyone be married in this year, they'll be happy forever. Anyone will not be a widow, and the boys will be also so happy. So you should try to marry. If anyone has any child in their homes, they should also be married. Anyhow, how can be married? Oh, they promise to each other, father and mother, that if there will be a son and my will be daughter, then we will marry. Or if you have daughter, I have son, then we should also marry. Like this. So all the girls were married. To whom they are married? Because Krishna was himself cowherd boy, so all marriage was done to
Krishna.
So all the gopis are the wives of Krishna. But in that shape, not in Krishna shape, but in shape of
Cowherd boys.
cowherd.
गर्भ के बच्चों का तो एक दूसरे से कृष्ण से विवाह नहीं होगा ना
Eh?
गर्भ में जो बच्चे हैं those children
वो
who
लोग
are
तो कृष्ण
still
थे नहीं।
in the womb, how can they get married to Krishna?
Anyhow, it be. Achint ghatpati yashi. Anyhow, they will do.
Inconceivable.
Jogma is so expert and so powerful. So, Krishna became the son of all the gopis. And Krishna became the calf of all the cows. And he became husband of all the gopis. And the purpose was served. After a year, when Brahma returned, he was in confusion that Krishna is playing even with his calves and cowherd boy. But I have kept there. I should go and see. And he went and saw that, oh, all are there sleeping. And when he looked here, he saw that Krishna is playing with all. So Krishna is so perhaps powerful. Both time, when I am going to there to them, and Krishna is taking all the boils and coughs here, and when I am going there, he takes them here. But for 4 eyes here and 4 eyes here, he when he saw that, oh, in both places, how it began. Then he surrendered himself in the lotus feet of Krishna. He saw that everywhere 400 Narayan was there, everywhere. And then he thought, oh, he is my worshipful deity, Brahma. He is my Aradhadev. And then he fell flat. And when he saw towards Krishna, he saw that again Krishna taking
Rice and
rice in his hand and
yogurt. Search.
with floating and searching again. Where my covered boy has gone, my friends has gone, where my cups has gone, like this. Brahma knew that, oh, he is Ishwar of Ishwar,
God of
Ishvara Sarva Krishna, Ishvara Parama Krishna,
Krishna,
Sachidananda, Sarva Karana Karana. He realized that he is even more than Narayan. Narayan is part and some part of manifestation of Krishna. Krishna is Swayam Supreme Personality. And all are some what?
Expansion.
Incarnations,
Expansion.
expansions of Krishna. Then he realized the truth. And he prays that I want to be a dust in Vrindavan, or even a stone in Vrindavan, where those who are called Jamadarni in
Sweeper.
India,
Sweeper.
sweepers, even after their job, when they will return to their home, I will be a stone piece there, and with water they will wash their feet on
That's all.
That
a
stone.
stone. I want to be even at that stone. I am not so lucky to be anything in Vrindavan, even a grass. But I want the mercy of all the gods. Anywhere I want to take a birth, so that I should be sprinkled mercy of devotees, true devotees. So much he has prayed. After this, Krishna and Baldev went to Madhuban to graze cows, and after that they came to Madhuban or Talban. Talban, where the trees of
Palm.
palm tree was there so much, lakhs and lakhs. All the boys wanted to take some juice of palm fruit, because at that time they were ripened. So very beautiful smell was coming, very
Sweet fragrant.
sweet fragrance. Baldev went there and he took a tree in his hand and he did like this, and so many fruits came. At once the donkeys came and they attacked Krishna and Baldev and all the boys' friends, but quickly they were all killed by Krishna and Baladev. So, who are donkey? Those who try to serve a king like Kans, their friends all are donkey, those who have no relation with Krishna and not serving Krishna. So those who are not really devotees of Krishna, they are like donkeys. They have no intelligence to see that how we can be happy forever. So all are donkey. They want to taste this worldly desires, sense gratifications. All are like demon, like this donkey. So Gurudev Baldev Prabhu is wholesale guru, and he killed that donkey. After that, they controlled Kaliya. They controlled Pralambasur, they killed Pralambasur. And so many things they did. Indra was also controlled. He has a false ego that I am creator of this world, I am supporter of this world. So Krishna wanted to
Teach him a lesson.
teach a good lesson. So he told all the Brajavasi, don't worship Indra. Indra is not a supreme personality. He cannot do anything. He is like a servant of Krishna. But he has a false ego. You should worship Giriraj Govardhan. He can fulfill everything. He is Govardhan. By serving Giriraj Govardhan, or cows, gop, gopi, gobas, every will be so happy. Nanda Baba did so, and after Indra became so angry, and he wanted to punish all the gops and Krishna also, but he was punished. I have told all these things yesterday. So it shows that any demigoddesses, even Brahma, Shankar, Mahesh and all, but to speak of Durga, Kali, Ganesh, Shankar or any, they are not supreme personality of Godhead. Even not Godhead. Only their God and gods. Only the servants of Krishna. Not even to Krishna, to Kshirodasai Vishnu or Garbhodasai like that. They are like God in this world, like Chaukidar,
Watchman.
watchman, having no power at all. But we should try to respect them, not thinking that they are like God. In India, so many persons, they think that Ganesh, Shankar, Hanuman, Kali, Durga, and all the goddesses are same, like Krishna. No difference between Krishna and them. But this is wrong thing. We should not try to do. Otherwise, it will be a very big offense. We should try to know that Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. And without his mercy, anyone cannot do. So we should try to worship him, to chant and remember. Best is thing that chant always Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. But you should try to give honor even to a grass, because Krishna is there in every autumn seas. So we will, but not considering him that he is God. We are not God. We are not Brahman or Brahma. After that, Ras was done, Ras Leela. Very beautiful. For one day of Brahma, lakhs years continuing going. But everyone thought that, oh, this is only 12 hours night. Very quickly passed. After that, consent accrued. You should go to Braja, and at that time Krishna was in Nandagaon. Go, and anyhow, by crook or you should bring Krishna and Baldev. And here when we'll come, we all friends, like Mustik, Charun, and my all brothers, myself, and so many are here. We will crush Krishna and Baldev here. He cannot be saved. So anyhow you should be. Tell them that a sacrifice, fire sacrifice or anything, festival is going there, and you should come, invite them. Akrur went and brought Krishna and Baldev there. And Kansa was anyhow there, was killed. When there was a big council, Krishna and Baldev came in the council. There was a big arena, where all the wrestlers were wrestling together. When Krishna and Balram came there, Krishna and Baldev were like very smooth, very sweet. A boy of only 10 years age or 9 years age.
Very soft,
Hmm? And very
Delicate.
delicate.
delicate, soft.
Tender.
When they came, at once Charun Mustik, like Himalayan mountain, so big giants. Hmm? They invited Krishna, oh, you should come, and we will wrestle, and we will please our Maharaj Kansa. Hmm? Krishna and Baldev answered that we are very little child, so we can wrestle with any boy which are in our
Equal
age, equal age, equal weight.
Size.
Huh?
Equal size.
In our group we can, but not you two. You are so
Big.
big, like so much giants. Huh? But they told that you are not a baby.
We know.
We know that you have killed Putana, Agasur, Bakasur, always playing here, there, jumping, always wrestling to Siddham, Subal, Sakha and all others. We know all these things. So, we know you. And they dragged in arena. And they began to wrestle with them. At that time, Nanda Baba was there. Also, Kans wanted to show Devaki and Vasudev and Ugrasen Maharaj that how I am killing Krishna and Baldev, you should see. In your presence I will kill Kans and Krishna and
Krishna and
Baldev.
Baladev.
So he has invited all. He has invited all the good persons,
Aristocrat.
Aristocracy.
persons there to see that festival. So all were there. All the wives of Jadava, newly married or married, were there also. So they were also seeing this scene. They were telling to each other, ladies, that we should not stay here. Kans is so bad person.
Duplicious.
Hypocrite.
Duplicious.
He wants to kill Krishna and Baldev. That is, he has engaged Charun and Mustik and so many demons here. And if Krishna is wrestling here with Charun and Mustik, we should at once give up this place. Otherwise, sin will come to us. So anyone should not be stay there where demons wants to kill any sadhu. They have made a plan like so. And they are doing so nonsense here. So we should quit this place. Oh, we see that in Vrindavan, all the gopis are so
Fortunate.
that they see Krishna in his usual form,
Natural.
natural form. And here we are seeing Krishna. We are lucky somewhat to see Krishna here, but here not natural Krishna. He is now wrestling with these demons. Sometimes being some anger, eyes are being reddish like. And other party
Trying to kill him.
Try to smash
trying
him.
to smash Krishna. So we are unlucky. And they are telling to each other, Punyavata braja bhuvo jadayang nilinga gudha purana purusha bana chitramalya gapalayan sahabala kadayan shavenum vikridayan chati giritri ramarchitangring. Oh, the Braj Gopi are so fortunate. In whole world, Braj Mandal is so glorious. So glorious. Why? Because Supreme Personality of Godhead, taking his all opulence, adorned with his all madhuris, sweetness, he had descended to Vrindavan. So Vrindavan is so glorious. Especially, the gopis are there, so Vrindavan is glorious. If gopis are not there, Vrindavan is not glorious. If gopis are not in Vrindavan with Krishna, then Krishna will be only Brahma like zero, Shunya. So due to gopis, Krishna is so lovely. And all kinds of, 4 kinds of madhurya are in Krishna. So Vrindavan is so glorious. Gopis are so glorious. When Krishna begins to go in his cow herds with lakhs and lakhs girlfriends, with lakhs and lakhs cows, playing his own foot, with Baladev and so many boys, searching anywhere from his crooked eyes, and so many gopis worshipping Krishna with their
sidelong glance.
Eyes, lovely eyes. Then Krishna smiles. Those who have seen this Krishna doing so, they are lucky. And their eyes are successful. Those who have not seen Krishna, not taken darshan of this Krishna in this way, how beautiful he is. Baraha pidam natavar bapu karnayo karnikar Vibradabasah kanaka kapisang jayanti chamal Randhan venuradhar sudaya pujayan gopa brindai Brindarannam sabadarbanam pravisata kita kirti. As if whole beauty, whole sweetness, whole sweet fragrance have come in Krishna. And Krishna is like new meg, clouds, as if water will come. And his claws are like
Thunderbolt,
lightning, so yellow, fragrant yellow. And he had taken float in his mouth. And he is telling something. What telling? Cling. And all are thinking that Krishna is calling me. All the gopis, deers, cows, calves, everyone thinking that Krishna is calling me. And all are attracted to Krishna. Barahapidam Natavara Bapo. He is like Natavara. What is Natavara?
Best dancer.
Best of dancers.
Huh?
The best
Best transcendental dancer.
Like a drama.
Dancer. But in India, we tell
Both.
bar to whom? Who is going to
Bridegroom.
bridegroom. At that time, if a black person, black young person, not so much beauty, but artificially he is made so beautiful by so much giving here
decoration.
powders, decoration, goldly ornaments and everything. And he becomes the prominent in so many persons. So he is called Bara. The Krishna is like so beautiful now. He had not to be decorated. If he is naked, even he is so beautiful. If any spot of black is given here, even he is so beautiful. If he is naked, so more beautiful. We have not to take any help from any ornament, nothing.
For makeup.
He is naturally beautiful. And so many cowherds boys surrounding Krishna. Kanhaiya ki jai ho, Kanhaiya
Jai
ki jai.
Kanhaiya Lal ki, Jai Kanhaiya Lal ki.
They are doing like so, glorifying Krishna. And Krishna with his gentle and so soft feet, he is keeping his feet on earth, making some impression. Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma comes there. So, and gopis are here and there, looking Krishna. And they don't know that what will tell others. And nothing to give their
Eyelid.
palak nahi gire.
Their eyes
Eyelid
don't
must not
close.
down.
Oh, always like this, they are looking Krishna. So beautiful Krishna there. No? So they are telling that these gopis are
So fortunate.
fortunate to see Krishna and to taste his beauty and all kinds of sweetness in full. But we cannot do like this. Even when Krishna supporting cows, grazing cows with Baldev Prabhu and so many cowherd boys, playing on flute, Brahma, Shankar, Lakshmi worship the lotus feet of Krishna. So see, he is how high. Gopyas tapakim acharan jadamushma rupam lavanya sar asmodhananya siddham drigbhi pivant anusvanubhavam dirapam ekant dham jasasasi. Oh, these gopis, how hard extortions they have done. We want to do like same and to see Krishna in Braja. We want to have a birth in Gopi womb to see and taste all these glories of Krishna. Lavanya sar asamurtha ananya siddham. No need of any ornament to increase the Krishna beauty. We sometimes take golden chain here, some iron rings here, some more other thing, but Krishna never. So he is more beautiful than Narayan, 100 times, lakhs times. He is more beautiful than Ram.
Dwarkadhish.
He is more beautiful than Dwarkadhish because he has no flute.
No peacock.
Now he is young, but Krishna in Vrindavan is teenage, very
Teenage.
Kishore. In Dwarka there will be no gopi, no flute, no
Peacock
peacock
feather.
feather. Not like natural beauty of Krishna there. So they are so fortunate. What they have done, we should try to do like them. Jadohane vahanane mathano panek prenkain kanar vyudito okhan marjanado gayant chainam anurakta dhiyo ashukanta dhanna brajasti aurukam manjana. Jadohane vahanane mathalo panek. Oh, how glorious are gopis! That they are in their homes sometimes dohane, they are milking cows. But what they are doing? Their mind is not there. They are habituated to do. Automatically their hands are going and milking cow. But their heart is there, where Krishna is there. And they are singing what? Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Some are doing chanting in the morning or daytime or evening, and they are also doing like that. Their hands are accustomed to do like this naturally, nothing to do like this automatically, but their mind and tongues are going. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Some are brumming in the house. They are also doing like this. Some are going to make sleep their children's, and they are doing like this. Oh boy, you should sleep, you should. Not telling, clapping like this. Govinda Damodara doing all their house jobs, everything, but always remembering. Some are cooking, and in cooking they are doing Govinda Damo Dharamadavechi, Govinda Damo Dharamadavechi. All are observed so much that tears coming, automatic, hearts melting. So all are engaged, whole day and night like this. They are making all their jobs, more than anyone, but always like this. So we'll have to do to support our children, to do our house jobs, to maintain our life. But try to make something Krishna mood there. Then your all activities will be like bhakti. And if you are not doing your all pious activities also, without Krishna is like zero. If you are serving your father, mother, so much, but not chanting, remembering, you will have to go to hell. Because our original father and mother is who? Himself, Krishna. His fathers of fathers of fathers. His sarva karan karana. So if anyone neglecting Krishna but doing all pious activities, everything, but his all activities like zero. And if they are doing all things, brooming, clearing their houses, cooking, supporting children and everything, but remembering Krishna, like Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavechi, Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavechi, then your life is successful. Only money will cannot make you less successful and happy. Never. But if your all the jobs, all the activities, if it is touched with Krishna consciousness, then everything is okay. If something wrong there, it may be not complete, but even no heart, Krishna will make it full. So they are thinking that gopis are so much high class of devotees. We are not like this. We cannot see Krishna in this way. So they are doing like this. Pratah prajat prajata avisatascha sayam Govishamam kaneto asya nishamma venum nirgamya turnam apalapati bhurupanya pasyanti sasmudmukham sadyavolokam. Oh, gopis are how glorious. In the morning, when Krishna going with all cowherd boys and cows are calves, all gopis are assembled near the house of Nanda Bhavan. All are following Krishna. All gopis here and there, from any corner of their houses. Some on the roof. Some are
From
windows.
peeping from
Some are in groves. Some are very near. Some are very far away. No harm. All are charmed, and they are looking towards Krishna and worshipping with their eyes.
sight lung gland.
All. And when Krishna returns from cowherd, again like this, they think that if Krishna is not there, they are feeling so much separation, as if they will die. And when they are thinking that when morning will come, when evening will come, that when will Krishna will return with all cows, all friends, and they were all waiting there. Sometimes it becomes like so that if any new gopis is married to Nandagaon, and she is quite new, she wants to take darshan of Krishna, but his sasuri, his
Mother-in-law.
mother-in-law, oh, don't go. Other there is a black snake there, and he will
Bite you.
bite you, and that poison will never come down, and you will be mad for
Ever.
Forever.
ever. So don't go. But she is going herself.
Mother-in-law.
His daughters are going. Then that
No.
Newly
girl, newly married, tells that why you are going yourself? Why your all daughters are going? Why all Brajavasi, old or new or young or even boys, all are going to see, and I should not go?
No.
I must go anyhow. So he does not
Listen.
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 Just obey
Ah.
her order.
and disobeys, and he quickly runs. And sees Krishna. Krishna also, he saw that he is so eager to see me and to meet me. He had something to do, and she at once takes a tail of any
Cow.
cow.
Twist.
And twist.
Ah.
Yes.
And at once he begins to run and comes to
That
in front of that
Okay.
gopi. And Krishna with his foot only touches and takes her heart in his heart and quickly going. She becomes like mad, without mind, without any life, like a statue. She is only thing that Krishna is going on, going. After that he vanishes in forest, but there are some
Dust.
dust there. She looking towards that. Dust is also,
Going down.
but she is standing hours and hours. Then her
Mother-in-law.
mother-in-law comes and says, "Why you are standing here? Oh, come on with me. I told you that a black snake will bite you, and he has surely bite you. Come on." And he gives any job to her, or to
Churning yogurt.
anything he gives. But his mind is not there. So she brought a pot full of
Mustard seed.
mustard seed, and she began. She thought that it is curd. So, in presence, all are made for Krishna like this. So, if you are not going to made like this, but anyhow you should chant and remember. So, one day you can serve Krishna. So, Gopis are so glorious. Now our time is 7. Perhaps our Brahma is
ready.
also ready. You should make ready. Gaur Praman. Today no?
No, they're using it in
They
the
are
play.
there.
With the drama.
Acha. So you should do kirtan. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
Acha. You know?
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Then he was worried, and then Lord asked him to do meditation, tapa. And then Lord himself came, appeared, revealed himself before Lord Brahma, and gave him the knowledge of Vedic knowledge. He spoke Srimad Bhagavatam in 4 verses. Then how come Lord Brahma couldn't recognize Lord Vishnu? Because he was already given the knowledge.
Because Jog Maya of Krishna is so powerful that even Baldev, who is Krishna himself, sometimes he forgets everything. So it is not a strange for Jog Maya to make Brahma like this. Huh?
One announcement.
पुस्तक बंद कर दो
And go for
All the devotees who are leaving tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, maybe even this evening, if you have any place in your car going to San Francisco,
I will make my best effort to So many times I asked this. first go and sit on the lap of Mother Yashoda. Wiping the tears from her eyes, I will say, "Oh, Mother, Krishna is coming just now." Symbol to greet him. In a constructed gate, so many kings are standing at the roadside. So he is coming a bit later. But I have come in advance just to give a gift. Wipe the tears from their eyes and console them. I'll tell them. Male persons are the criminals. They'll believe me and put faith in my words. Then all the Rajvasis will. Where's my flute? Who has taken my flute?
Wind. In the meantime, Baladev's chariot and when Balaram saw the Vrajvasi's condition, an ecstatic mood manifested in his body, face in Subhadra, and she could not goodness of the mellow of Braja. Meanwhile, Braja gradually becoming worse. Life in the body of Radharani around her. They could not understand what to do.
Open the curtains, open the curtains, open the curtains.
Radharani was giving up her body.
Krishna, Krishna, Vishaka! Vishaka, Sankaja!
No, it's okay. It's
She's
alright.
still breathing! Radhe! All people know that I was desire to cut down to Jesus, and I worship my God as his only son and master David. Oh, Radhe, Krishna's desire is the relish part of your love. It is only external. It is not real. I married the shadow of Radha, not the real Radha. Your real husband is Krishna, and you are his wife. You are eternally kept in his love. There will be opportunities to take them back from the low state of duty. Today I really became a faithful. I had a great time, as great as the precious memories. I was always frustrated. I only always. I used to see that. I tried my best to do it. But you were a great practice. And you have no practice at all.
Nada.
We all go to the Yamuna to fetch water. Oh, she's a prostitute. She's only saying she's going to fetch water as an excuse. Really? So sometimes Krishna comes to Rajkuj just to increase that leftist mood. That is my good fortune. In that way I'm related to you. Because of Krishna, I have become most distressed. That I have become a reason for taking Krishna away from you. He is your. Even in dreams he only thinks of you, never me. This is all a Leela created by Yoga. He made us dance. We all danced. Today, I heard that you are dying. If you give up your body, no one in this Rajbhumi will survive.
successful. This mode, even in the devotees of Vrindavan or in India, very rare, very. So you are fortunate to realize these modes and to play. I think that you are making ready this for some long time. But actually you are all successful. My heartily blessings to you. Try to develop this more eternal to Krishna. And this is a very high class of devotees in the line of devotees like Rukmini. I am praying to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I am praying to Nityananda Prabhu to sprinkle their mercy, for which they have descended to come. And now I am seeing that very far away from Vrindavan, lakhs and lakhs miles opposite in this world from Vrindavan. In Vrindavan, that is Vrindavan, and opposite to the other world, there is perhaps morning 4 or 5, and here is now like this. But even there is no culture like Indian culture, but by the grace of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his associates, this very rare and highest mode of Vrindavan Braj, now descended in new Braja. I think the mission of Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Bhakti Vinod Thakur and the mission of Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and my Guru is now successful. That even rare, but you are one of the rares, the devotees and Braja. So try to keep these things forever in your life and eternal in your life. Don't deviate from this life. I am praying also Radha Krishna Conjugal, Jog Maya, Uddhav, Narad also, that they should sprinkle their mercy. Without their help, without their mercy, anyone cannot have this rare mood. This mood also Narad wants, but he has not that certain. Whether he has become dust or not dust in Vrindavan, Uddhav, Narad also, we don't know. Anywhere in Shastra is not written. But you are so fortunate to have this rare mood in you. So try to keep it here safe, very safe, and so that gradually it will come, develop. So my hearty blessings to you. Also my mission is also successful, that we are inspired to play a drama like this. I think in world, anywhere, we will not find a drama like this. Very good. I also want to request all the devotees of New Braja that they should live brotherhoodly, that we are all in Gaur family, and try to develop all these things. You will never see anywhere in, you will go to India, in Haridwar, in South India, you will go to Kashi, you will not find all these things. Anywhere in world, this world. So I want that these things to be protected and try to develop. I want that they should all be together and they should in 1 week or 2 weeks they should assemble anywhere, discuss all these things as a broad brotherhood. Like we are brother and sister. And thus we should try to develop all these things. And I think very soon, Krishna will be merciful, Mahaprabhu will be merciful to take you all in prayer. So I request all that they should, I also want that there should be a school here, so that children may be educated in this line. So I am requesting and praying you all that you should assemble, make a samiti, means society, and go on doing this. This is the best way to follow or to develop or to fulfill the inner desire of your Gurudev, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, Mahaprabhu and all. And by doing this, you will be very so happy. I want that there should be no friction. Have tolerance and try to each other helping in Krishna consciousness. I am so much indebted to these girls, being the girls, teeny age or little boys, and how they knew this mood of pressure. Very rare. So you should keep these modes in your heart and try to develop Krishna consciousness. Gaur Premanand. Anything?
I have one thing. If someone knows where the keys to the generator...
Back up. Let the players through. Let the players
camera. Don't look at the camera.
Oh, which small Radhika or big Radhika?
Both were beautiful.
Both
Both
now there
were
was
daughters.
Ragalata. Gurudev, they wanted me to tell you.
Very good. One is more?
Yes.
Gurudev, the girls wanted me to tell you that the script for the drama came from Gaur Govinda Maharaj, the beggar of Prem.
I thought they treated it now that
This is the other guy.
This is Giriraj, Govardhan.
And she is sleeping. My blessing.
Happy but somewhat sad. We're leaving tomorrow. Depending on that.
Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe.
Come and see you in the morning. We leave around 8 o'clock, 8:30. No.
You are all so successful. All successful.
We have one preliminary cover now of Jaiva Dharma to show you. I don't know, maybe in the morning we can show you.
You can say just now.
Or now if you like.
It is ready?
Yeah.
Okay, just now.
Okay.
After that,
Okay.
what's your name, please?
Nayana Mani Manjari.
And your name, please?
That's her name. Yeah, oh, is that her name? I'm Krishangi.
Prashangi.
Krishangi.
Very good.
That's her name.
Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta's name was mentioned.
Yes, I hear that. Yes.
What is your name?
Her naam Lalit Mohan Dal. Lalit Mohan Dal.
What is your seva?
Mera seva.
Joking.
Comedian.
Making everyone happy.
I'm not leaving. So sweet.
Never. And who became Radhika?
Radhika.
And she was Radhika.
Radhika. Hey, Radhika. Mangala.
Bhavatu Kalyam. Radhika Dasya Bhavatu. Dandat Pranam to Narad. Jai 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 Saki. Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe 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 Radhe
understand? Krishna Bhakti, Gopi Bhakti. Thank you so. Always keep it very secret. Very secret. So that it should not go out of your heart. You should try to make it transcendent. And Adarsh Bhakt mane kya hai?
Ideal devotee.
Ideal. Whether ladies or
Gents.
no, but you should make this place like certainly like Brazil. And if you are like that, I will be so happy. Jai Jai Sri Jai Sri more loudly. Jai Jai Sri Quickly go to your homes. Your fathers are searching you.
Jai Shri
Gurudev ki
Jai Shri
You liked your pictures? They were
Yeah.
in Houston?
Yeah.
I like the point.
Giriraj Govardhan Ki Jai. This is Giriraj Das Jones. Maharaj said, I have a new dynasty. And here is the fruit.
Definitely do have a dynasty.
The dynasty. A Mahibar dynasty.
Now they're all blessed by the pure devotees.
They were in.
Nothing to say. No comment at this point. Nothing to say. Rasi, if you really want to get a mugshot here, you want to get the most advanced person in the Badger area, in the Bay Area. Rasi Mohan Maharaj.
Advanced person in England.
Rasi
Lotus feet.
Lotus feet. Get a look at those. Touch them, guys. Touch those feet. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Jai, Jai. He's a brown, you know.
Oh, Jai. Gurudev's would-be secretary when he comes of age. Oh, forgive my offenses, Maharaj. Forgive me.
You know how you'll forgive him?
Come on, Mark.
The only one thing that bothers that makes it uncomfortable. So I'm
Hello. Too late.
He already got this.
Oh yeah, we got.